Hello guys, welcome back. Looking to upgrade your photography game in 2025? Mirrorless cameras continue to lead the way with cutting-edge features, compact designs, and stunning image quality. Whether you're a pro or a passionate hobbyist, here are the best mirrorless cameras that deliver performance, innovation, and versatility. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T5. The Fujifilm X-T5 is a powerful mirrorless camera designed for photographers who demand both high performance and portability. Featuring a 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and X processor 5, it delivers incredibly detailed images with rich color depth and superb low-light performance. The compact, lightweight body is perfect for travel and street photography, while its classic design offers intuitive controls, inspired by vintage cameras. With in-body image stabilization, up to 7 stops, you can capture sharp handheld shots even in challenging conditions. The X-T5 also supports 6.2 K30p video recording for filmmakers, along with F-Log 2 for greater dynamic range and flexibility in post-production. A high-resolution electronic viewfinder, vari-angle LCD screen, and dual SD card slots make it a versatile tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're capturing stills or video, the Fujifilm X-T5 is built to inspire creativity and deliver outstanding results every time. Number 4. Sony A7V. The Sony A7V is a powerhouse mirrorless camera that perfectly blends resolution, speed, and advanced features, making it ideal for professionals and passionate creators alike. Featuring a 33 megapixel, full-frame, back-illuminated XMOR CMOS sensor and the latest BioNZ XR processor, it delivers stunning image quality, low-light performance, and high-speed shooting. With 4K 60p video recording and advanced autofocus, with real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds, the A7V ensures every frame is sharp and cinematic. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization lets you shoot handheld with confidence, while dual card slots and a fully articulating touchscreen enhance usability. Built with robust weather sealing and intuitive controls, the Sony A7IV is crafted for both studio precision and field resilience. Whether you're shooting weddings, documentaries, or vlogs, the A7IV offers unmatched flexibility and performance. Elevate your creative potential with a camera designed to keep up with your vision. Number 3. OM System. OM1. OM System. OM1. Redefine your photography experience. The OM System. OM1 is a groundbreaking Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera that merges advanced technology with compact design. Engineered for both professionals and serious enthusiasts, it features a 20 megapixel stacked BSI Live MOS sensor and the blazing fast TruePic X processor, delivering exceptional speed, low-light performance, and image clarity. With up to 120 frames per second, burst shooting, and industry-leading AI subject detection autofocus, the OM1 captures fast-moving subjects with ease and precision. Its IP53 rated weather sealing ensures reliability in the harshest environments, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of shake reduction, allowing for sharp handheld shots even in challenging conditions. Enhanced video capabilities include 4K 60p and 10-bit internal recording, catering to hybrid creators. Lightweight yet powerful, the OM1 is designed for those who demand performance without compromise. Elevate your creative potential with the innovative OM System, OM-1. Number 2. Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 is a premium compact camera that blends iconic design with cutting-edge performance. Built around a 60 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and the legendary Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH lens, it delivers unparalleled image quality with stunning detail and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting high-resolution stills or 8K video, The Q3 adapts effortlessly to your creative needs. A fast hybrid autofocus system with face and eye detection ensures sharp, accurate captures, while the tiltable 3-inch high-resolution touchscreen and OLED viewfinder enhance user control and experience. Integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C connectivity enable seamless workflow and charging, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Encased in a weather-sealed, minimalist aluminum body, the Q3 upholds Leica's tradition of precision engineering and timeless aesthetics. With exceptional low-light performance, advanced editing flexibility through RAW and JPEG formats, and smart app integration, the Leica Q3 stands as the perfect companion for photographers who demand excellence and elegance. Number 1. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is a powerhouse mirrorless camera designed for professionals and enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and versatility. Packing the core features of the flagship Z9 into a more compact and lightweight body, the Z8 delivers stunning image quality with its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Xpeed 7 processor. Whether you're capturing high-resolution stills or cinematic 8K video, the Z8 ensures speed, accuracy, and detail like never before. It boasts blackout-free real-time viewing with a 120 frames per second refresh rate and superior subject tracking powered by deep learning AF, dual card slots, robust weather sealing, and an ergonomic grip make it perfect for fieldwork and studio shoots alike. From wildlife and sports to portraits and filmmaking, the Nikon Z8 adapts to your creative vision effortlessly. For those who want professional-level imaging in a smaller package without compromise, the Nikon Z8 is the ultimate tool to elevate your photography and video to new heights. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best mirrorless camera for 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.